The dream. Studying abroad is a dream for millions of students. Better education, global exposure, and a better life. But for many families, this dream starts with just one thing: a study loan. And what looks like a financial support often turns into a long-term financial trap. Today, we are exposing study loan frauds and hidden interest traps that students are rarely warned about. The biggest myth: most people believe education loans are safe loan. They think that it's for studies. Banks are trustworthy. Government rules protect students. But the truth is, study loans are one of the most misunderstood financial products. And that misunderstanding is where the trap begins. How fear pushes bad decisions. When a student gets an admission letter, panic starts. Deadlines, visa pressure, documents, fees, everything is urgent. This urgency makes students and parents trust agents blindly without reading the fine print. And scammers thrive in exactly this panic. One of the most common frauds is fake loan agent. They claim, "We'll get your loan approved 100%, no collateral needed." Tie up with national banks. They charge processing fees upfront, and once the money is paid, they disappear. Real bank name, fake process. Some scammers are smarter. They use real bank names, real logos, and fake email ID. Students think the loan is in process. Documents are under review until the visa deadline passes and the agent vanishes. Hidden interest rates. Even when the loan is real, the trap doesn't end. Many students don't understand floating interest rates, interest reset clauses, benchmark linked rate. A loan that starts at 9% quietly becomes 12 to 14% over time. Banks advertise no repayment during study period. What they don't clearly explain is that interest still keeps adding up during this period. By the time the student graduates, the loan amount has already increased massively. Compound interest shock. Interest is often compounded monthly or quarterly. This means interest on interest. Students think they borrow 20 lakh rupees, but after graduation, the outstanding amount is 26 to 28 lakh rupees. Collateral trap. Parents are told just property documents for formality. But if the student doesn't get a job, returns early, and drops out, the family home is at risk. Many families only realize this when recovery notices arrive. Co-signer nightmare. Education loans require a co-signer, usually parent. If the student defaults, parents' credit score is destroyed, bank's recovery starts immediately, and legal notices follow. This pressure destroys families' peace. Private lenders and NBFCs offer easy education loans, but their interest rates can go up to 15% to 18% and even 20%. Students accept them out of desperation and regret it for years. Foreign loan scams. Some agents push students towards foreign banks or overseas lenders. The catch: loans in foreign currency, exchange rate risk, no Indian legal protection. If the currency value changes, EMI suddenly increases. Visa rejection, loan still active. Here's the worst part: if the visa is rejected, loan is already paid, disbursed, interest has started, cancellation penalties apply. The student never went abroad, but the debt stays. No job, full EMI. Many students don't get jobs immediately after graduation. Banks don't care. EMI start, pressure starts, mental health collapses. Education loan stress has pushed many students into anxiety and depression. Agent bank nexus. In some cases, agents and loan officers work together. They push higher loan amounts, unnecessary insurance, extra charges, because they earn commissions, not because it's good for the student. Real story: there are students today paying loans for colleges with no value. Back in India, unemployed, still paying EMIs for degrees that didn't even help them. These stories are rarely discussed. Red flags to watch for. Warning signs: guaranteed loan approval, asking for upfront cash, no official bank email, rushing you to sign documents, avoiding written communication. If something feels rushed, it is dangerous. How to protect yourself: always deal directly with bank. Read sanction letters line by line. Ask for total repayment amount. Understand interest reset clauses. Avoid private lenders unless necessary. Knowledge is your biggest protection. Parents must be involved. Education loans are family decisions, not emotional decisions. Parents must attend meetings, ask uncomfortable questions, and refuse pressure tactics. One wrong signature can cost you decades. The big picture: education should create opportunities, not lifelong debt. Loans are tools, not miracles. If misused or misunderstood, they become traps. Studying abroad can change lives. but blind trust, poor research, and desperation can destroy futures. Before taking any study loan, remember your dream should not become your family's burden. If you found this video helpful, share it with students and parents. Comment your doubts or experiences. Subscribe for more real ground level truth, and always read before you sign, because one signature can change everything.